take the dollar for granted. It's practically everywhere. But have you ever wondered how it all started? Like, when did the dollar first come into existence? Hello, we are $5 sisters.
Whoa, we have a exact same clothes?
Yeah.
What's going on?
Well, Big Sister here is actually too busy with her work schedule to record a video next week. So we're just pre-recording 2 videos in the same week.
Yep, that's what we do. Hey, so what are we talking about?
Well, we're talking about the history of the dollar bill.
Ooh, I would like to know that. Alright, so how does it all begin?
Well, we first need to talk about why it was first printed.
Okay, well, tell me why.
So before the Revolutionary War and before we were all conjoined, there were a few states in the United States.
Let's call it what? Colonies at the time?
They called themselves the United Colonies.
Ooh.
But the problem was that each colony had a different set of money.
Ooh.
Like, if you had $5 in Pennsylvania and you went to Massachusetts, it would be a different amount of value.
So it's like a country if you think about it. Like
Yeah, it's like
pesos
a
versus
mini country.
Yeah, pesos versus dollar. It's going to be different values, right? Dollar is a little bit more stronger than some other third countries. Obviously, that's what's going on. And if we call ourselves a united country,
We definitely need a united currency.
so that's how it
Yeah.
all began, right? So who actually decided to make our united money?
Well, Abraham Lincoln was actually the person who proposed the idea of the dollar.
Ooh.
And in 1862, it was printed for the first time.
So I have a question. So dollar bill was printed first, or
Oh, actually, the first dollar form was actually a coin, a
Oh.
dollar coin. It definitely looked a lot different than today's dollar coin.
yeah, I mean, if you think about it, in order for you to carry the money back then, you must be gotta be strong. All those money that you have
Yeah.
to carry for coins.
Yeah, that's a lot of coins. Imagine having to pay for a boat or something.
I just wonder though, which coin actually made it first?
Well, the first coin that was made was the penny in 1793. Whoa, there's floating words in the air. I guess as soon as we start talking about the dates, because there's so much information, they're just gonna be floating.
Oh, floating letters.
That's weird, but anyway.
Anyways.
Well, the second coins to be made was the $50 and the dollar coin. Wow, they're appearing again. And after the $50 and dollar coin came the quarter and the dime in 1796. Well, this may surprise you, but the nickel did not come after the quarter and
So
dime.
then what is that next?
Well, in 1861, the $5 bill was made.
$5.
Whoa, the words are on this side now.
Oh man.
That's weird. But anyway, and then next came the $1 bill. The classic dollar.
Finally, huh?
Yeah, it took a while.
Hey, by the way, before we actually keep going, who decides to make those dollar? I mean, is me decided? Hey, let's have a United States dollar bill. I mean, who decided?
Well, the United States Treasury actually prints the money.
Okay, and Congress decided at the time to
Yeah.
have all combined currency, right?
Yeah.
All right. So after $5 and dollar, and then what next?
Here finally comes the nickel
Ooh.
in 1866. Well, next, which may surprise you, came the $100 bill in 1914.
Wow, $100 right after that?
It's a really big jump.
Uh-huh.
Well, after the $100 bill came the $20 bill printed in 1928.
I understand. $20 actually we use quite a bit nowadays.
Yeah. And then in 1956, finally came the $10 bill.
Wow. $20 first and then $10?
Yeah.
Interesting.
I think the order of this currency was mainly because of demand. Like, oh, we started with pennies. That's good. Oh, wait. We need 25 cents now. Okay, here's a coin. Oh, we need $100 for something. Let's print dollars.
I mean, if you think about it, after industrial age, I mean, there is a lot of millionaires happen. I mean, you're not going to carry all those coins together. I'm sure that's probably the reason why they decided to have $100 bills, probably. Right? And it's lighter too.
Oh, yeah. I am welcome, little sister.
I'm a little.
You are not little.
Big, I'm a big sister. 1, 2, go. 5.
Hello.
1, 2, go.
Hello.
5. 1, 2, go. Hello, we are $5 sisters. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
If you are awesome, hit the like button.
Goodbye.